let's go see Grandma. Say trick or treat. Go that way. Say there's John Mark as a transforming robot. And Kaylin and Addie too. Alright, and General is a Pharaoh today.
He's a Pharaoh?
Yeah. Pharaoh. Alright.
Let them go first. They were here first.
Oh no, that's okay. We'll all go. We'll all go. Alright, go Juji.
What is this, man?
Alright, go do it, Jude. Y'all gotta help Jude. He don't remember from last year what to do.
Trick or treat. Trick or treat.
Now up the
There's a whole bag full.
Oh, what kind of goodies?
John Mark's pumpkin bucket.
Alright, Jude, go up there. You gotta say trick or treat. Oh, he wants mommy.
Hey, Mama wants one. No, I don't.
Alright, Jude.
Come get your candy.
You gotta say trick or treat.
Put it in your bucket.
Oh.
Gonna have to help him. Because it's not gonna fit.
Alright, Jude, come on.
Alright, can I transform?
Here's for the Pharaoh. He needs some energy.
Alright, you gonna transform for everybody? I mean, this is entertainment costume at its finest.
No, this is not.
Let's see it.
Alright, chick, 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 chick. Alright. What do rescue bots say when they transform?
Rescue bots roll out.
Oh, rescue bots, roll out. Oh, get stuck, bro.
He crashed.
Alright, what does he need? He needs some Energon. Is that what they have? That keeps them going? Energon. Alright, yep, there it is. Pull them tires in. Pull them tires
You
in.
got your back tires upside down.
Oh, yep. Yeah!